How to link your social club account with Steam. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. If you tap open your official website of your Rocket Games, and if you're logged in, you will see that there is no option to link your social club account with your Steam. Even if you tap open your Rockstar game launcher, the option of linking is simply not there. So in that case, what you actually have to do is pretty simpler than you think. Open up your Steam and make sure that you are logged in into your Steam account. At the very bottom in your left hand side, you will see the option of add a game. Just tap on it. Select on add a non-Steam game. Now a dialog box will pop up and it will enlist all of the program that is currently available in your PC. Select your Rockstar Social Club. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to enlist all of your social club gaming in your left hand side. It will provide you with a separate section where you will see non-Steam game and your Steam games where you download it through your Steam. You'll be able to play your Rockstar Social Club games such as the famous one is GTA easily using your Steam. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.